Hello everyone, I'm Abhishek Gaur from Automation Laboratories, and today I'm gonna discuss about Maven. What is Maven and how we can make a new Maven project using Eclipse IDE. So let's get started. Basically, Maven is a powerful project management tool which is based on POM and known as Project Object Model. So it is used for project build, dependencies, and documentation. There are other build management tools also available in market like Ant, but basically it is too much advanced than Ant. So I would prefer Maven as the best management tool available. So let's jump on to our Eclipse IDE and let's create a new Eclipse project. So here you can click on new, and post that we have to go to others. In wizard you have to write Maven. Here you can see that we are having Maven project, Maven module, check from SCM. So you have to click on to Maven project and click on next. Currently we would be making a simple project and which we would be skipping the archetype selection. Clicking onto that jump will make us to jump on new project, which would be having the group ID, artifact ID. Group ID, this is the organization name. Artifact ID, here you can write the name for the specific project which you want to create. So I have created an artifact ID of automation test. Here you can give the name for the same. Here you can provide the description, and that automation test is used for testing the web-based application, or whatever description you want to write you can write here, and you have to click on finish. Post clicking on to finish, here it will create a new project with the name of automation test. It would be having different package structure: src, main java, main resources, test java, and test resources. Here you can have classes corresponding to the Java structure, and resources corresponding to that can be defined in this package. Corresponding to all of the classes, you can define test cases, and test cases resources can be defined within this package. Java library is imported, structure is POM, and pom.xml is POM. And pom.xml, basically it would be having the whole information which we have given in the starting, like group ID we have given com.automation laboratories, artifact ID we have given automation test, and the name for the same and the description for it. If you want to define a new dependency for the project, that can be defined within this pom.xml, and it will automatically download from the web. So definition about the pom.xml we would be covering in next tude. So thank you for joining